is chilling and you are watching Stena. That's just a laugh for my haters and a laugh of love to my lovers. Yes, Phinde sabuya yet another episode of Stena. Hey, umba ushushu kuzoba busy. I'm your host, Big Xhosa, and you are watching Stena. Xa sibuya breaking. When we come back, we have juice inyandazi nisoloko siza no 100% juice anipathe monga imali mna no way I bring you juice not a fusion juice siyabuya. Yeah, welcome back. Wamkelekile futhi. Siphinde sabuya man. Namhlanje istory sanamhlanje sisakabuni bhidaha kancinci kodwa nizazivela bethuna. Ukho ubhuti osibhaleleyo man wathi Big Xhosa ndenze kanje ndenza kanje man. And ndiyakubona lento yenzayo apha inhle ndiqonda ba mandize man nami ndizoyicacisa ba ndibethe umuntu othile ngeStena li masimzise man ubhuti without further ado masimzise my brother.
Sawubona.
Good.
Hayi siyaphila.
Nami ndiyaphila bhuti igama ngubani?
Igama uVuyo.
Vuyo ndiyabona man ndithe xa ndiyifunda lento yakho ndayi-understanda kahle but I want you to tell ababukeli and nathi or just repeat uba why ulapho siswe indoni apha what brings you here.
Sanibonani babukeli kuzo zonke indawo. Ngizile lapha ukuba uBig Xhosa lapha ngenkinga enginayo engiyenzile mina. Lana ngiyayihambela ke lana. Uma ndlula lapha komakhelwane ngizubhizi uyala nomfazi uyamshaya usolo mfazi akanamandla unjani uyakhala kakhulu so uma ekhala lapho umemeza mina ngoba ngibona ndlula ngoba ungijwayele vele yena yangazi so uma ndlula lapho
uyiqala phansi babukela uyithatha phansi. I like this one thetha put
so uma ndlula lapho ngiyahamba ke ukuyena lo mfazi abamshaya lapho so ngiyafika kuyena ngithi kanti manje lasenisila nibangani uthi kum hayi lo baba njani uyandihlukumeza kade vele akayiqali lento yakhe into ahlale enjani esengeza yona yabona so ngase ngithi kuyena njengoba bekuhlukumeza sinjani asiye ngale kwama nginamuntu lisala ngedwa mina.
Oh, okay. So to summarize this thing up, when abhuti uthetha ubona ba no man ayithandi lendlela lo sisi aphethwe ngayo. So you decided but no, let me be a shoulder to cry on lo sisi. Apho in you being a shoulder to cry on, you decide but no man makakhale apha on my shoulder and also akhale on my bed. Yinto we decide leyo le. Okay, so now nina nobabini now wena nalo sisi seniyathandana. So ufuna uxelela ubhuti lo umngane wakho ba no ndibona lento buyenza pha andiyithandanga. So now I have umuntu wakho ngakumi and now sizakuxelela ba siyajola mina nomuntu.
Sesiyajola yebo.
Ayavakala ke babukeli from a shoulder to cry on to my bed to cry on. Hey, siyabuya kunzima juice ndinixelele ijuice inzima. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. We're coming back. Yes. Phinde sabuya man. He says, hey. Nancy savior upper, Nancy savior upper, Nancy savior upper. Iti no, I took her to my shoulder to cry on, from my shoulder to cry on, to the bed to lie on. Hey, good juicy, kwa Stena, good juicy. Without further ado, sizawubiza usisi mani aze. Sisi Lee, kamzise Lee, kamzise. Hello sisi.
Hi.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Nami ndiyaphila. Gama nginguphi Xhosa, ngubani lakho? Tikeleti.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Tikeleti. You look beautiful, you look wonderful. Uyamazi ubhuti?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So niyazana, ubhuti uthi apha kum you were going through a very rough time of being abused by your boyfriend. So uti he came and it's like but bukeli, like gender-based violence is wrong. We don't encourage people to beat women and all that stuff. So is that true?
I know. No, about Abusive.
Like as a stories creator about you there to UCC is not true. Hi. Ulixoki mfethu. Kose nofefe uthi wena ubethwa, you're getting beaten by your boyfriend, so he came and rescued you. Handiyayibona lento yenza apho ungayisabi. So he came and rescued you and you guys just fell in love, ne? Ayikho yonke lento ayithethileyo.
Ayikho.
Oh my goodness. And ke sisi, the thing that I hear is when uthanana nomngani wakhe.
Yes.
And then all of a sudden you fell in love with him. Kuvele kwenzeka ntoni sisi? What changed from ukuthandana nomngani wakhe to him?
Hayi umngani wakhe vele ngathi akangithandi sisi kahle.
Oh, you feel unloved,
Yeah,
unappreciated.
Yes. Then this guy ngiyabona ukuthi uyanthanda vele.
Oh, even though we started on the wrong foot of you lying, but it's fine, my brother. In when we understand like, do you have any further intentions of usisi other than just uyabona umthathe emntweni wakhe? Like, do you have any further intentions? Like usafuna like uzibona uphi naye?
Ayizibona siphumelele sisiyakude ngoba ngento engavele empilweni.
Okay, iyavakala. Mabukeli, into eyenzekayo apha kuthathwe umuntu emntwini. Ukhona lo bethwe ngeStena, which is umngana kakafiki. But ngizawucela uli amthumele man without further ado, cause hey ndiyabila. Sizaye breaking xa sibuya umngani uyeza. Don't go anywhere. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. Yeah. Big X is just chilling and you are watching Stena. Welcome back. Siphinde sabuya. And is another juicing 100%. Before the break, if you are not here, ubhuti lona ufike wathi no man, kukho usisi endimthandileyo and lo sisi ebethandana nechomi yam. She needed no chatting.
It's our life. It's fine. Continue.
Oh shit. And lo sisi lona ebethandana. She needed the shoulder to cry on. I provided the shoulder to cry on. And also I provided the bed to lie on. And ilibali leyo ndawo nzasoloko ndiyithetha. Hey! Without further ado man, masizisa ubhuti lo ubethwe ngeStena. Li ndiyacela man, kamzise. Uthi
ngiyaphila futhi
njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Aniyaphila Xhosa igama.
Manelisi igama.
Manelisi. Manelisi man, I'm sure ababantu yabazi aba, but ndonga confuse ubone ezi cameras zingaka. You are not sure why you are here. Yeah. Like it's very confusing. Ndizawuthanda man ubhuta. Sorry. Hey, le juice ninzi yanibhodlisa. Ndizawuthanda man ubhuta explainele uba kwenzeka ntoni, why are you here? Kamxelele. Xele straight le nto
Yeah.
ubuyixela thetha apha kumxelele na.
Uyazi kahle kahle kwenzakalani.
Oqala ke bhuti angitwana kwakutholo usha lo wesifazana.
But hayi. She denied loo nto uba ubuxoka. Why uzawuphinda uthi wathola?
Ngimshaya kuphi?
Thethi inyani angagwegwelezi. Zananga uyaconfirm bazange wathi thethi inyani okanye if awuyithethi ndizayithetha. Okay, masiyeke ndizamxelela ngokwami. Hlala ngapha ingathi kuzaba busy.
Ngifuna uyazi kahle.
Ndizaxelela ngokwami. Into eyenzekayo lo uthandana nomuntu wakho simple kudala beqhubha lonto lo ufike waxoka apha wathi wena uyambetha umuntu wakho which is she confirmed at least she has a good heart to confirm uba no awumbethi which is a good thing but the thing is ungabi heads over love with the fact that she confirmed ba umbethi.
Yeah.
She is busy with your friend here.
Oh kanjani?
So that's why lona I create ubuxoki ba wena uyambetha. I don't understand why esenza londo. So sisi let me ask you what ngixelele nangu ubhuti like why umshiya ukhetha lona over yena.
Hayi mina ngibona ngathi awumthandi. I feel unloved.
Kanjani? Mina ngiyamthanda umuntu wami Big Xhosa.
Awumbonisi vele.
Umbonisi.
Kanjani musi?
Like okay man buzi inkonzo yasekamreni njani like uhamba njani?
Sometimes I one per week.
Mara la ngishaya khona uhlelo ubonga nje.
Hayi.
Ima. Is it good or is it bad or kanye nje?
Big Xhosa.
Ima but uthi usisi bad so that's one of the reasons. Number 2 uthi usisi and I don't understand why you are smiling okanye utheni like I don't know. I'm not saying don't smile if you want to because the way it seems to me ingathi right xa isithi ngathi awumthandi for the fact that you are smiling it means like sometimes because uze nenye boyfriend up and when you are just smiling so it proves a point that awumthandi manyana that's what it seems.
Big Xhosa ubafu ngiyamazi. Mara ngivele ngambona lo muntu ukuthi uyamfuna umuntu wami and manje ngiyabona uyamkhohlisa. Kodwa ngiyamthanda umuntu wami ngimnikeza everything ayikho into engamenzeli yona.
Uyamthanda?
Ngiyamthanda.
Okay, uthi sisi uyakuthanda. So wena sisi what are your intentions? Ufuna uqhubekeka nobafo okanye usafuna uthando ngapha okanye ugqibile ngaye you done with him?
Hayi, I'm done. Uqhubeka nawe.
Mfethu. Vele uthethe inyani you don't have to create lies ba ubone ubafo ebetha ubani because uyincolisa igama lakhe ngoxa usithe bembetha which is wrong. Yabo I'm even shocked intone attracted kusisi what did you see ba ubafu yenza wrong that made you okay I want a relationship no sisi
Cha vele khona eqinisweni lalo sisi kade sathanda sinaye sesinesikhathi sathanda nasinaye sisi
so ngexesha bathanda naye nina kudala niqhuma
udala siqhuma but wayendlela ukuthi ukhona ubafu it's like kwasoqala sathanda esinaye ngamdlala mina ngithi wayishiya nami wakuye so uthe esekuyena sabuya sakhuluma salonze izinto esithi kimi uzafuna uqale ibone lo ukuthi umphethe kanjani uzokuya kimi because kimi ngimphethe kahle imina osukwaba nephutha ke so bathandana sesibona ngani kasafeel friend wasitshela mina ke umuntu akuvela kwaso
ndiyakuva bhutima kancinci i-reactions zakho they still make me believe ba umthando sisi like my reactions but ke I like sidalwe ngendlela ezahlukene yeah some people they show uba shocked with smiles some people are angry when they are shocked but the reactions zakho they are not really pleasing to me but ke with man ngakujudge or anything let me ask you ubuyazi babeke bathandana before
mina into bengiyazi ukuthi ubafu ungathi yamfuna umuntu wami ngoba always uma ngihleli naye uma eqhamuka ubafu uyaqala nje ukusmile umama ngiyazibuza ukuthi kahle kahle imama la smile kwenzakalani always masihleli sithu akasmile noma ngabe ngizama ukuthi ngiyamimpressa mhlambe ngimhlekise ngejoke 1 2 3 but uma kuvela ubafu mhlambe eroomini la uyaqala nawo ubona ukuthi lo muntu manje sejabulile and of which le ndawo ngiphathi
okay iyavakala so hey babukeli this is benza round 2 on top of the rounds that they did. They are doing round 2. Aba bantu beke bathandana before, but bayekana because of usisi lona beqhuba nobafu, and now baphinde babuyelana, which is confused man, confused. Ndifuna ubuza ke ngobhuti wami apha kuwe. So wena ufuna usisi ohlukane completely nalo bhuti?
Yebo.
Even though you awusayikhathalanga friendship yakho naye?
Hayi, ngifuna usisi ehlukane naye nalo sisi sithanda nokugcweleyo, yabona. Uma ngabe nama mistake ethanda nami emiye kubhuti, because manje ngibele kuyena ngoba ngiyazi njani ngikhulile nomqondo ufuna ukuphusha impilo siye phambili sibe nempumelelo lo sisi.
I can't argue, andiyazi banzawuthini.
Cabanga ukuthi ngizobayeka labantu bajole nje kanjalo nje phambili.
Uthini?
Angeke ngibayeke bajole nje kanjalo. Just like that.
So yintoni ozayenza ke ngoku, like but my advice is usisi has made up a mind ufuna ubafu, and when awusafuna ngoku, it's like man, let me explain this thing to you. Mhlawumbe you understand ke ucacisele. Girlfriend yakho uthi uyayithanda. I-girlfriend yakho has been busy behind your back nyobaring her ex-boyfriend umngani wakho behind your back. Let me explain to you what happened so that you get a picture, so that you understand why you should chase them or not chase them. Ubhuti lona, this one time, I was not there, but let me interpret it for you. This one time, they met kwindlu yakhe. Ubhuti wafaka ikondom okanye akayifaka angazi, walifaka kusisi, walikhupha ubhuti ngokwakhe, waphinda walifaka, maliphinda liphuma kwesibini usisi walifaka ngokwakhe. She put it in herself. I'm just painting it for you so that you understand. You need to let it go, my brother. It's not worth it. That's what I'm saying on my side. It's not worth it if you understand this, senores. Umuntu wakho, they've been busy with her. Ayinguwanga wedwa odlayo naye ecaleni ubusy. You understand? With your best buddy here, okanye umjita wakho, umakhelwane wakho luhlala naye. So I don't think that's a situation you need to follow okanye ungabayeki. Me, my advice is let it go, Jayam. You deserve better.
Kanjani mpoza ngoba lo muntu ngiyamthanda.
Unenkani uthi awundivanga. Unenkani bethuna andiyazi noba sizawuthini. Masiye breaking, mastart break kushushu xa sibuya. I sort out yonke leyo. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. Siyabuya. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. Welcome back. Siphindesa lapha man. Before the break besixoxa man. Ubhuti uthi he does not want to let go. Akakhathalelanga uba kwenzeka ntoni. He does not want to let it go. But on my side I'm saying he must let it go. But ke asikho lapho. Sisi, what advice or any last words you would like to say ubhuti to ubhuti lo buthandana naye?
Kinana okay krele motho bona because nna ke sele on krele motho wena umrate because nazange mano ikarwan rate the way Kenya kan ka bona yeah kona mantswanga ufangona umtsara gabotse.
All right. Buti, do you have any last words to Buti lo? Okanye into zamcela because uthiya uyikhathalanga ngalo friendship ufuna uba back.
Yeah, engakusho kwafa ukuthi yena akasiyeke nomntwana. Ngeke ngicela ukuthi akasiyeke nomntwana. Siqhubeke. Because umntwana uzeshilo kuyena abakeli bonke njalo lamanje besibhekile nje ukuthi akanjani asenalo uthando kusebele kuphi asemthini wakhe because kamkhombisa umthando lekufuna nje. So mina ngicela ukuthi ubhuti akasidedele lo mntwana umdali lo mntwana akasidedele sithandana.
My brother, uyababa bobabili bathi bayeke baqhubeke bathandane uthi usisi you gonna find the love of your life but ayinguyanga. So do you have anything to tell them abantu ozayitsho?
Ya into engizongitshela yona nje yokugcina nje i1 nje kuphela. Angithi ngithe ngifika la umZulu bafu uqamba amanga ngami uthi ngiyamshaya. Mara sisi uyinake leyo nto. Nomuntu unamanga lo. Sengaba ukukhohlisa ethi uyakuthanda kanti lutho. Amagama ami ngelawo. Mara mina ngisakuthanda nomuntu ungasangithandi.
Iyavakala babukela khona uthile nzayithetha ubhuti thwaxa ngeStena but ke andizuthini nama i-energy iphelile energy kubhlungu ngaphakathi ubone kwezinje kubhlungu ngaphakathi but ke we can't do anything. Ndiyabulela ngokuza kwenu. Thank you very much my sister. Thank you very much nawe bhuti. Big X is chilling and you've been watching Stena. Until next time sizobuya. Yeah.